Wow, the human body is so interesting.
But so complicated. I don't understand why so many organs are needed.
Each organ has its functions. Look. For example, digestion helps people process food and drink into energy.
Energy? You mean people eat and drink to receive energy?
Well, what did you think?
I just thought to try as many yummy things as possible.
No, Sam. Look, actually, digestion is needed to emit useful substances from food, while food and drinks are, well, like car fuel.
Fuel? But why is it dispensed in shops, not at gas stations? If it's fuel, it should be dispensed at gas stations just like ordinary gasoline.
You know what, Sam? That's a great idea. It may sound weird, but we're going to make a gas station with soda.
Will it be something like a soda machine? We've already created a soda machine with you, and I liked it. Why make it again?
No, Sam. This time, we will make a real fuel station with soda. Let's go!
You know, Sue, sometimes your ideas seem too crazy to me.
Hello, everyone!
Today, we're going to make an amazing craft!
Right, Sam, but first, let's change the mat color. Hop. No, something's wrong. Okay, nope. Let's leave the green mat. Today, we're going to make a gas station with soda.
Wow, with 2 different kinds of sodas?
Yes, Sam. You may have noticed that at gas stations, there's several kinds of fuel because different cars have different engines. It's the same like how people have different tastes. So our station will try to please everybody.
I made my choice. I choose this and the other one.
As you wish, Sammy. And you guys, write in the comments which soda you like. Let's start. Here we will place 2 gas station pistols.
Pistols? Are we gonna rob the gas station, cowboy? I mean cowgirl.
No, Sam. Pistols are also called devices for fuel delivery. Here we have 1 pistol and another one. And like real pistols, they should have triggers. Okay, now carefully cutting it out.
Wow! So if you pull the trigger, you can shoot with soda?
Sort of, Sammy. We'll need pieces like this. Inserting a stick, it will make the pistol more solid. It will be the frame, but it's not its only function. It will also hold the trigger.
Oh, Sue, what is this wire attached to the trigger?
This wire is needed for the mechanism, which will deliver soda. I'll tell you more about it later. We will need 1 more stick. We'll wrap a rubber band around 1 stick. It'll hold the trigger. And if you pull the trigger, 2 wires will touch, closing the contact.
Closing the contact? Will they work on electricity?
That's right, Sam. And the trigger works as an electric switch. We need it to get the soda flowing. And it will pass through this tube.
Wow! Sue, there's another tube. Where is it going?
All in good time. Be patient, Sam. Now we are creating our pistol.
I think this system is too complicated. Guys, can you try making complicated crafts yourself at home? Tell us which complex craft did you make?
And also, please write what you think about this craft. Now it's time to take some thin cardboard and cover our pistol with it. We need to do this to hide the inner parts from the customers.
I hope pistols at gas stations aren't made of cardboard and glue. Otherwise, they're very flammable.
Now we only need to make our pistol look just as a real one.
What do you mean, just as? It should be a real pistol, or we won't be able to get fuel at this station.
There you go. Now we have a real gas station pistol. Okay, the pistols are ready. It's time to assemble the filling station. This is the base of our station, where we're going to stick 2 side walls.
Whoa! You weren't kidding? You're gonna make a fuel station for real?
Yeah, I am. The very real one, but made of cardboard. Here, we made the pistol holders. Pistols are set into these holders and are hanging on them. Now we need to make something like a shelf inside the station.
A shelf? What will we put on it? Candies? Will this machine give candy?
No, Sam. We will put something that will be attached to our pistols.
Aha! Now I know what it is. It must be something interesting. Aha! It is! What is it?
This is a little pump with an electric motor. And this is a battery, which will supply the motor with power.
A pump? I thought there would be some unusual mechanism, not just a pump.
Well, it's not exactly a usual mechanism. This pump will not transfer liquids.
But how will it help us to fill the glass with soda then? I mean to fill the tank with fuel.
It will help. Soon you'll understand everything. The little motor and the battery will be set right here.
I got this! But how will they work?
You are so impatient, Sam. Through this hose pipe, the pump will transfer the air. Let's direct the hose pipe here, right where our soda will be. Fuel. Now we need a bottle cap like this. We made 2 holes in it. Let's put 2 tubes in these holes. One leads to the motor, another to the pistol.
Looks like nonsense to me. How will the soda reach the pistol?
It's very simple and quite logical, Sammy. You'll see. Everything is almost ready. Now we need 2 bottles of soda. Fuel.
Be right back. Here you are.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. Excellent. Sam, it seems this bottle with fuel is already opened, and someone probably took a sip.
I'm sorry, Sue. I couldn't help myself and took a sip. I won't do it anymore. Although, no, I will.
Well, thank you for opening the cap anyway. Now let's attach this bottle to the cap of our fuel station.
Aha! I knew it. I knew that there's big bottles with petrol inside every gas station.
Then we do the same with another bottle. Perfect! Now our fuel station has both kinds of soda inside.
Wow! Wow! You made it so quick. Is that all?
Yep, the structure just seems complicated, but the principle of the work is rather easy. The only important thing left is to assemble everything carefully. Let's tape down the hose pipes which lead to the pistons. This way they won't stick out too much.
And how do we know which kind of soda is in which pistol?
We will stick the labels on. This way you surely won't confuse the sodas. The fuel station is ready. Now we can fill up.
When you told me that we were going to create a real fuel station, I didn't even think it would be so awesome!
Yes, it truly is just like a real one. Sam, could you please bring me… Oh, thanks, Sam.
You're always welcome. Now let's finally pour our soda!
Sure thing. So we take a pistol and… Wow, it works! Sam, look! The secret is in the air. The pump pumps air into the bottle and it pushes the soda out. Isn't it great, Sammy? Oh, well, let's try it. Yummy! Why don't you try, Sam?
Beep, beep. I am a truck. I am at the station to refill fuel. Fill the tank, please.
So how do you like the fuel, little truck?
Oh, this fuel is very delicious. And this fuel station is just amazing.
I agree. I want some more.
And the truck does too.
As you say, truck. Here you are.
Thank you. Perfect fuel.
Guys, did you like the craft we made today? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We've got so many great crafts to make.
We'll be back.